Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth from soup bones. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees F. Arrange your beef soup bones on a baking sheet and roast them for about 30 minutes. This crucial step caramelizes the bones, developing a richer, deeper flavor for your broth. You can also add some chopped carrots, celery, and onions to the pan during roasting. Once roasted, transfer the bones and vegetables to a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged. Bring it to a gentle simmer, never a rolling boil, and maintain this low heat for 8 to 12 hours. Skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first few hours to keep your broth clear. After simmering, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container. Discard all the solids, as their flavor has been fully extracted. If you desire a more concentrated broth, return the strained liquid to the pot and reduce it by about 1/3 over medium heat. This intensifies the beefy goodness. Proper cooling is essential for safety. Quickly cool your broth in an ice bath before transferring it to the refrigerator. Store the cooled broth in airtight containers, where it will keep fresh for up to 5 days. You can also freeze it for several months. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.